How to add or remove voice control to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings menu, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. From here, we scroll down and then tap on Voice Control. Tap on Voice Controls to select it, or deselect Voice Control to remove it from the menu. So if I select Voice Control here, you can see if I triple click on the side button to open up the Accessibility Shortcut menu. In here, Voice Control will be available for you to open it. So here, if I tap on Voice Control, I can open up Voice Control. And you can see Voice Control is open, it's turned on. Now if I tap on it, I will switch off Voice Control. And to remove Voice Control from the menu, simply deselect that. And that will be removed from the shortcuts menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.